Good morning, second PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Play in the equation of a line, shortest distance. The how many types of lines? Two lines. What are they? The equation of a line passing through the point and parallel to the vector. And what is the formula? R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. Okay. And next one, second one, the equation of a line passing through the 2 points is R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda into B bar minus A bar, angle between the two lines, two lines. So the type of totally completed. Today the today next one, next question, 12th problem in the exercise 11.2, 12th problem. Okay, listen carefully. Find the values of phi so that the two lines are right angle. Two lines are right angle means what? Two lines are perpendicular. Right angle is nothing but angle 90. 90 degrees means perpendicular. Two lines are perpendicular means what? Perpendicular condition. What is the perpendicular condition? A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0 means the two lines are perpendicular. Not equal to 0 means non-perpendicular. Okay. So given lines, given 1 minus x by 3 is equal to 7y minus 14 by 2p is equal to z minus 3 by 2, equation number 1. Okay, this is the vector equation or Cartesian equation. This equation only Cartesian equation. Cartesian equation nothing but in terms of x, y, z, x1, y1, z1. Okay. So first equation. Actually, the Cartesian equation is of the form. What is the equation of vector Cartesian form? The equation of a line in general form of the line equation in Cartesian form, general form of line equation in Cartesian form. What are they? X minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1 is equal to z minus z1 by c1. This is the general equation of a line. So the general equation of a line in Cartesian form is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. Here this one. Here this is not x minus 1. So the given Cartesian equation is reduced into this is the general equation of a line. How to reduce? This is first minus common from 1. Compulsory. The equation of a line in Cartesian form is x minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1 equal to z minus z1 by c1. This is the general equation of a line in Cartesian form. So the given line equation is also a Cartesian form. So this is not a general form. So this is general form is x minus x1 by a. So x minus x1 and x minus constant, x minus x1. So here 1 minus x. So this is reverse. So first of all, the given Cartesian equation is reduced into general type, general equation. So first of all, minus common. Minus common means how many? Minus of x minus 1. So this is minus x, minus into minus plus 1. So minus x Okay, minus into x minus into minus plus 1. Minus x plus 1 is clear by 3. That is equal to not to 7y ay, only y minus something. So here 7 common, y minus 2 by 2p, y minus 2y 2p, that is equal to z minus 3 by 2. So x minus 1 by minus 3 is equal to y minus 2 by 2p by 7 is equal to z minus 3 by 2. So first of all, what is the first one? The given line equation is converted into the general form. First of all, what is the difference? The given equation and the general form, what is the difference? The general form is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. So this is the reduced, the equation number 1 reduced into this type, general type. Okay, this is the equation number 1 after reducing equation number 1. So first one is this is the equation number 1, this is also equation number 1. Okay, so here comparing equation 1 with general equation, general line equation, comparing these two, comparing. So here now here a1 is equal to minus 3, b1 is equal to 2p by 7, c1 is equal to 2. Second line, what is the second line? 7 minus 7x, 7 minus 7x by 3p is equal to y minus 5 by 1 is equal to 6 minus z by 5. Y minus 5 by 1, 6 minus z by 5, 7 minus 7x by 3p. Here also first minus 7 common, x minus 1 by 3p, minus 7 into x minus 7x, minus 7 into minus 1 plus 7. Okay, so that is equal to y minus 5 by 1, that is equal to here minus common, z minus 6 by 5, minus z minus into minus plus 6. So x minus 1 by 3p by minus 7, y minus 5 by 1 equal to z minus 6 by minus 5. Here a2 is equal to minus 3p by 7, b2 is equal to 1, c2 is equal to minus 5. So what we have to find out? These two lines are perpendicular. The equation 1 and 2, these two lines are perpendicular. Then find the value of p. Okay, since 1 and 2, since 1 and 2 are perpendicular, so what is the formula? a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. What is a1? a1 minus 3, a1 a2 minus 3 into minus 3p by 7, minus 3 into this is a1 into a2 minus 3 by b1 is equal to 2p by 7 into 1 plus 2p by 7 into 1 plus c1 c2 2 into minus 5, 2 into minus 5 equal to 0. So 9p by 7 minus into minus plus 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 9p by 7 plus 2p by 7 is equal to 10. This is 2 into minus 5 is equal to minus 10. equal to 10. So 9p plus 2p, 11p. 11p by 7 is equal to 10. 11p is equal to 70. P is equal to 70 by 11. P is equal to 70 by 11. Okay, clear? Next, same 13th problem also, same problem. So 12th problem is these two lines are perpendicular, find the value of P. So 13th one is show that these two lines are perpendicular. So show that these two lines are perpendicular means same as the same procedure, and A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is not 0, not don't take equal to 0. So we have to prove equal to 0. Okay, clear? Okay. Next, 14th problem, very important, shortest distance. Okay, shortest distance. Find the shortest distance between the lines. Find the shortest distance between the lines. So given lines, are r bar is equal to I plus 2j plus k plus lambda into I minus j plus k. This is comparing the equation. Vector, what is the general form of the vector line equation? R bar is equal to a bar plus lambda v bar. Okay, first equation. So here a1 bar is equal to I plus 2j plus k. b1 bar is equal to I minus j plus k. This is equation number 1. Next second one, r bar is equal to 2I minus j minus k plus mu into 2I plus j plus 2k. This is equation number 2. Here a2 bar is equal to 2I minus j minus k. b2 bar is equal to 2I plus j plus 2k. This is the 14th problem. I plus 2j, I minus j plus k, 2I minus j minus k, 2I plus j plus 2k. This is the two equations. In the two equation data a1, b1, a2, b2. Okay, clear. So what is the formula? First, shortest distance formula, b1 bar cross b2 bar dot a2 bar minus a1 bar by mod b1 bar cross b2 bar. This is the formula. Okay. So formula, first we have to remember the formula. After that, what is the first one? What I have to do first, and second, this is the clear to understand. First of all, anything b1 cross b2 or a2 minus a. Simply a2 bar minus a1 bar. a2 bar is equal to 2I minus j minus k. a2 bar minus a1 bar is equal to I plus 2j plus k. So 2I minus I. Okay, subtract two vectors, subtraction. 2I minus I minus j minus 2j minus 3j minus j minus 2j, minus into plus minus 3. So minus k minus of plus minus k minus 2k. So a2 minus a1, a2 bar minus a1 bar. a2 bar minus a1 bar value is, this is the a2 bar is a vector, a1 bar is a vector. So a2 minus a1 bar is also a vector. Next one, step 2. Step 1, a2 minus a1. Step 2, b1 bar cross b2 bar. b1 bar cross b2 bar cross product. This is determinant procedure. I, j, k. So b1 here, b1 ijk coefficients 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 1. Next b2 bar 2 1 2, this is plus minus plus. So first of all I into this is the corresponding column and row deleted after 2 by 2 matrix multiplication. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2 minus 1 AD minus BC. Minus j into in corresponding column and row. 1 into 2 2 into 1 2 2 minus 2 0 plus k into corresponding column and row. 1 into 1 1 minus of minus 2 plus 2. So that is equal to minus 3i minus 2 minus 1 minus 3i. So minus 2 3i, this is 0 minus 0j, this is 1 plus 2 plus 3k, this one. So modulus of b1 bar cross b2 bar, b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to modulus. How to find out modulus? Root of minus 3 whole square plus 0 plus whole square. 9 plus 9 18, root 18. Root 18 is equal to 9 rooted 3 root 2, root 8, 9 into 2, root 9 is equal to 3. So shortest distance, dot product. Next second one, no, dot product. b1 bar cross b2 bar dot a2 bar minus a1 bar, a2 bar minus a1 bar. So b1 cross b2 value, b1 cross b2 is equal to, this is minus 3i plus 3k dot a2 minus a1. a2 minus i1 go I minus 3j, I minus 3j minus 2k. So dot product, two vector scalar or dot product. So minus 3 into 1 minus 3 into I component into second one I component plus this is j component 0, here j component minus. This is very careful to see. This is I not j here, but not j means 0. The component of j equal 0 into minus 3. Very careful. Plus k into k, 3 into minus 2. So minus 3 plus 0 minus 6, that is equal to minus 9. So minus 3 minus 6 minus 9. So modulus of b1 bar cross b2 bar dot a2 bar minus a1 bar is equal to modulus of minus 9 is equal to 9. So shortest distance between 1 and 2, shortest distance between the 1 and 2 is d is equal to formula mod of b1 cross b2 bar dot a2 bar minus a1 bar by mod b1 cross b2 bar. So mod b1 cross b2 dot a2 minus a1 is equal to 9 by mod b1 cross b2 is equal to 3 root 2. 3 root 2 3 1 3, 3 by root 2, 3 by root 2 3 by root 2. So this is the shortest distance between the two lines. Okay, the shortest distance between the two lines, this is the formula. Okay, clear? So next one, 17th problem. 17th problem, find the shortest distance between the lines whose vector equations are r bar is equal to 1 minus t into I, 1 minus t into I plus t minus 2 into j, t minus 2 into j plus 3 minus 2t into k, 1 minus t into I plus t minus 2 into j plus 3 minus 2t into k. This is the first equation. So actually the vector equation is of the form, which type of, this is general equation of the vector form is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. Lambda is a parameter. This is the vector equation, right? Directly is, this is the a1 b1, next a2 b2. So in the 17th problem the vector equations are given is indirectly. So this is the convert into general form. What is the general form? A bar plus lambda into b bar, this type. First to multiply 1 into I, 1I minus ti plus tj minus 2j plus 3k minus 2tk. So first of all a bar plus lambda b bar. So without a bar first. So all this one 1I is equal to I, next to minus 2j plus 3k. First to a1 bar. A1 bar is nothing but single. So here t is what? Here t is a parameter. This is the lambda mu instead of lambda mu. Lambda mu is a parameter. In the 17th problem t is a parameter. So next to common t. Common t means this is minus t into I minus I t into j plus j minus 2k. This is equation number 1. Here what is the a1 bar? A1 bar is equal to I minus 2j plus 3k. b1 bar is equal to minus I plus j minus 2k. Second one, this is the first line. Second line equation is r bar is equal to s plus 1 into I plus 2s minus 1 into j, s plus 1 into I plus 2s minus 1 into j minus 2s plus 1 into k, 2s minus 1 minus 2s plus. First next same procedure, s into I. Here s is what? Parameter. si plus I plus 2sj minus j minus 2sk minus into plus minus k. So first of all without parameter components. So I, next minus j minus k plus s common I plus 2j si, s common I, 2sj. So s common 2j. Here also s common minus 2k. So here a2 bar is equal to I minus j minus k. b2 bar is equal to I plus 2j minus 2k. Actually this is the 17th problem also same as the 14th problem, but indirectly the vector equation are given indirectly. So the indirectly vector equation convert into the general equation. So first of all here this is first equation, in the t is a parameter, in the second vector equation s is a parameter. First multiply and this is the form of general form. What is general form? R bar is equal to a bar plus lambda into b bar. So first without parameter vector components plus t common. So this is a1 b1 a2 b2 is there. After that the same procedure, next one a2 minus a1 and b1 cross b2 mod of b1 cross b2 dot a2 minus a1 so mod the negative value, so distance is always positive. That's why the b1 cross b2 dot a2 minus a1 is negative value. So that's why using the modulus of constant is equal to positive. So shortest distance formula, direct formula. The 17th problem is not completed. So this is continuation. This is a1 b1 a2 b2 is there. So after that the same procedure we have to continue. Okay, clear? So this is very important, where shortest distance, the procedure, the shortest distance problem important, not 14 important or 17 important is not clear. So shortest distance problem, maximum 90% to shortest distance vector equation procedure. The given vector equations are vector equation. This procedure is important, very important. After that, shortest distance by using the Cartesian lines. Okay, clear? So 14th completed and 17th are explained. So 16th problem same as 16th in the exercise. 16th also homework, 16th problem homework. And in the exercise 11th problem, example 11th also, the three problems 14, 16 and example 11 and 17th problem. Maximum is 3, 14, example 11 and 16th problem. 3 is very important, don't neglect them. So we have to homework. Okay, clear? So next one, the Cartesian, next shortest distance, I will continue the next problem.